Hello friend, welcome to Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 10 best hotels for solo travelers to book in the US this fall. So let's start my video. 10 best hotels for solo travelers to book in the US this fall. The United States is home to many diverse cities, each with the unique story of enchanting history. The fall season in the US is particular apparent of landscape with the hues of gold and amber, making the scenery look for beautiful and thoughtful. For solo travelers seeking a serene embrace of nature, is the fall is the nature offer the array of the experience for such journeys looking prepared. Good hotels ensure maximum enjoyment and time to self-reflect and discover oneself. Now that fall in full swing in the United States, staying in one of for this hotels will ensure maximum experience for solo travelers. Below is a list of the 10 best hotels pick that promise an unforgettable autumnal experience. The Wentworth Hotel is Jackson is one of the best places to stay for solo travelers. The hotel offers solo travelers a serene retreat amidst the vibrant color of autumn, nestled against the majestic white mountain. It perfectly blends luxury and tranquility. It is closely located near scenery trains for solo travelers to do retrospective walk. The elegant rooms, on the other hand, offer restful and peaceful night. This is the perfect haven for this seeking to quick escape during the fall season. Accommodation: the Wentworth address, the Charter of North Hardy, Jackson SN 003 846 United States. Amenities: outdoor pool, fitness center, room service, spa and wellness center, bar, lounge, golf course, portable. The Ashby Inn, a restaurant. Take it away the Paris, Virginia. The Ashby Inn and Restaurant is an excellent option for solo travelers seeking autumn serenity. This 19th century Jan surrounded by Virginia London is offering away inspiring falls views. For those looking for modern comfort and countryside charm during their solo trip, the HD Inn Restaurant is the ideal hotel for thus a long day of hiking around the Virginia hills and exploring the best spokes runs. Can unwind in the historic rooms as they savor German meals and made with locally sourced ingredients from the restaurant. Accommodation: the Ashby Inn and Restaurant. Address: 692 Federal Street Suite, D. Paris, VA 20,130 United States. Amenities: adult only, free Wi-Fi, private bathroom, complimentary breakfast, special diet menus. Hidden Pond. Hidden Pond is a perfect hotel for solo travelers seeking an escape from the bustling city vibes. Where time is 60 acres of serene woodland, this hotel perfectly defines the home away home. Its future Aberdeen's cottage that provides a private haven from travels, combining traditional elegance with modern comfort. Guests providing this hotel can enjoy walking through the tranquil trails, enjoy meals directly from the farm. Is Earth Restaurant. Amenities: outdoor pool, bar, lounge, free Wi-Fi, breakfast in the room, shared lounge. The Applewood Manor. The Applewood Manor is cheap. North Carolina is a go-to stop for many solo travelers. This historic retreat center, the cozy rooms and the welcoming ambience, so solo travelers can feel at home. At in nestled among the Blue Ridge Mountain, offering stunning autumn views. The Applewood Manor is closely located near various Achille attractions like the Botanical Garden at the Achille, which just 17 minutes walk, and hotels we are walking. Ideal for solo travelers, it generally a perfect place for relaxation and exploration. This anthem. Accommodation: the Applewood Manor, Address 64 Cumberland, Sir Achivle NC 28,801, United States. Amenities: cozy room, personalized service, government breakfast, quiet space, communal areas. Columbia Gorge Hotel and Spa. Columbia Gorge Hotel and Spa is nestled along the Columbia River. There is a Hood River origin and offers solo travelers a blend relaxation and scenic beautiful surrounded by the magnificent Columbia River's gorge. The hotel gives the most stunning first views to its guests. While here guests can explore the nearby hiking trails and enjoy the rejuvenating spa treatment of sightseeing by the riverside for solo travelers seeking the relaxing and peaceful on-term escape with a touch of luxury. This hotel is the perfect choice. Accommodation: Columbia Gorge Hotel and Spa. Address: 400 YHF DR Wood River, OR 97,031, United States. Amenities: proximity to outdoor activities, spa service, government dining, bar, lounge. The Ortesia Resort Hotel. For solo travelers looking for a serene getaway, then the Ortesia Resort Hotel is the answer. This top-notch hotel overlooks the charmed Lake Otsego, providing picturesque coast views and over-the-roof elegance. It's located near various local attractions such as the Farmer Museum, the Heroes of the Boswell West Museum, worthy spending time at when solo traveling. This hotel is a perfect option for those looking to explore and relaxing during autumn. Accommodation: the Ortesia Resort Hotel, address 60 Lakh St. President NY 13,326, United States. Amenities: water sport facilities, bicycle rental, spa and wellness center. Dining option: Omni Mount Washington Resort. Omni Mount Washington Resort is a haven for solo travelers. This fall located in Bertrand Wood, New Hampshire. Is grand besides fifth beautiful with the bright fall color. Smooth, refreshing and memorable stay for solo travelers. Accommodation: Omni Mount Washington Resort. Address 310 Mount Washington Hotel, RT Bretton Wood, NH 03 535, United States. Amenities: spa, hiking trails, fitness center, workspace, golf course, Titan Mountain Lounge and Spa. Set in Titan Village, Wyoming. The Titan Mountain Lounge and Spa is the can recreate for solo travelers surrounded by the Jackson Hole. Colorful faired with the Hill Lounge offers a cozy and welcoming feel. When right guests can get heard offer the van spa for perfect relaxing. Additionally, its proximity lounge and spa is the place to be. Accommodation: Titan Mountain Lounge and Spa, address 3,387 Cody Allen, Titan Village, WY 83,025, United States. Amenities: solitude, spa, outdoor pool and hot tube, fitness center, dining option, cozy place. The Ritz-Carlton New York Central Park. The Ritz-Carlton New York Central Park overlooks the iconic Central Park in Manhattan for solo travelers looking for luxurious and peaceful stay in the heart of the New York City. In the hotel to go and autumn paint the park with the leaves of gold and amber, so guests can enjoy such views from their rooms. The top-rated solo travelers seeking urban elegance, this place, the Ritz-Carlton, is the unparalleled choice. Accommodation: the Ritz-Carlton is New York Central Park. Address: 50 Central Park as New York City, New York, NY 10,019 at United States. Amenities: in room, dining, spa and wellness lounge areas, dining menu, coverage service. Chebegue Island Inn. Chebegue Island Inn, the best hotel. The travelers looking for a refreshing seaside retreat set by vibrant fall colors. For solo travelers, it is ranked by the enjoy a great daring to meal. Accommodation Chebyshev Island in this address 61 SRT Chebyshev Island ME 0440 17 United States Activities Ocean View on-site dining golf access 3 Wi-Fi criminal Porsche. We hope you like the item we recommended and discuss the travel as affiliate and sponsored partnership, so we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.